Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English for Tech Professionals. In today's video, we're going to simulate a real job interview for a data scientist position. This interview includes technical questions, business-oriented questions, behavioral questions, and structured professional answers. Let's begin.
Can you tell me about yourself and your background in data science?
Sure. My name is Sophia Bennett, and I am a data scientist with over 5 years of experience working with machine learning, statistical modeling, and data analysis. I have a background in computer science and applied statistics. Throughout my career, I've worked on projects involving predictive modeling, customer segmentation, and data-driven decision making. I enjoy transforming complex data sets into actionable insights that support strategic business decisions.
Can you describe a data science project you worked on?
Yes, in one project, I worked on predicting customer churn for a subscription based platform. First, I performed exploratory data analysis to understand user behavior and identify patterns. Then I cleaned the data, handled missing values, and engineered relevant features. I trained several models, including logistic regression and gradient boosting, and evaluated them using precision recall and AUC. After selecting the best performing model, I collaborated with the engineering team to deploy it into production. As a result, the company reduced churn by approximately 15% within 6 months.
How do you decide which machine learning model to use?
It depends on the problem and the data. First, identify whether it's a classification, regression, or clustering price, the size of the data set, feature distribution, and potential overfitting risks. I usually start with simpler models like linear regression or logistic regression for baseline comparison. If performance is insufficient, I explore more complex models like random forests, gradient boosting, or neural networks. Model selection is based on performance metrics and business requirements.
How do you handle imbalanced data sets?
Imbalanced data sets are common, especially in fraud detection or churn prediction. I typically use techniques such as oversampling, like SMOTE, undersampling, adjusting class weights, choosing appropriate evaluation metrics like F1 score or ROCAUC instead of accuracy. Accuracy alone can be misleading in imbalanced cases.
How comfortable are you with SQL?
I use SQL regularly for data extraction and transformation. I'm comfortable with joins, subqueries, window functions, aggregations, and performance optimization. In many projects, SQL is the foundation before any modeling begins.
How do you explain complex models to non-technical stakeholders?
I focus on business impact rather than mathematical details. Instead of explaining the algorithm, I explain what the model predicts, how accurate it is, and how it affects decision making. I use visualizations and simple language. Clear communication ensures trust and adoption.
Have you deployed models into production?
Yes, I've collaborated with engineers to deploy models using APIs and cloud platforms. I understand the importance of monitoring model performance after deployment, especially for model drift and data changes. A model is only valuable if it works reliably in production.
Tell me about a time a model didn't perform well.
In one project, my initial model had strong validation performance, but failed in production. After investigation, I discovered data drift between training and live data. I learned the importance of continuous monitoring and retraining strategies. That experience improved my understanding of real-world data challenges.
What are your thoughts on ethics in data science?
Ethics is fundamental. Data scientists must consider privacy, bias, and fairness. I believe in responsible data use, transparency, and evaluating models for unintended bias. Technology should support people, not harm them.
Where do you see yourself in the next few years?
I want to deepen my expertise in machine learning and large scale systems. I'm also interested in mentoring junior data scientists and contributing to strategic decision making. My goal is to bridge technical depth with business impact.
Interview, you must show technical knowledge, business understanding, communication skills, real-world thinking, speak clearly, structure your answers, show results, and that concludes our data scientist interview simulation. If this helped you prepare for interviews in English, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with other data professionals. Thank you for watching English for Tech Professionals. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep analyzing, and keep building intelligent solutions.